Welcome everyone, my name is Logarithms. I am your online tutor for mathematics and I welcome you back to this section Examhood. Examhood is an online platform which helps you to have access to learn from seasoned and experienced tutors, as well as having access to materials time to time, and this will help you to ace your examination excellently. Do well to follow us on all our social media platforms, like, comment and share. We have this example B by 2.98 times 3, just normal multiplication operation by 2.98 times 3, right? So you multiply 3 all through. Okay. 3 times by 2 gives you by 6, and you keep that separately. Then you have this to be 0.98. So we are multiplying 3 to that. So you can have that to be 0.98 times 3 gives you 2.94. 2.94. So in this case, you have it to be plus 2.94. So since you have it to be plus, and this is bar 6, which is minus, so you have it to be bar 4.94. And that is the answer. Thank you.